Hey guys, today we're going to make something really simple, just a card with some few simple supplies. All you need is cardstock or watercolor paper, a little bit of saran wrap, some water, a paintbrush, and some magic markers, and we're going to get started. Alright, so all you really need to do is pick out your colors. I got some of these like fluorescent looking ones. So we'll go with this and this and this. And all you really need to do is just color on your saran wrap. Try not to get your hands messy, but it'll probably happen. But they're magic markers, so whatever. And just color about the size of your paper here. Okay. And then once that's done, set it to the side real quick. Get your paintbrush nice and wet, and then get your paper nice and wet. And then take your saran wrap and lay it down on the paper and let that sit for a minute. You can move it around. You can already start to see what's happening under here. And then you can either let it sit and it'll dry with the saran wrap on there and it'll look kind of like have weird little artsy lines and stuff in there, or you can just take it off and ta-da! You have like a nice little watercolor splotch on your card to make. And now you have a nice colorful card to send to whomever you've been missing.